so we're just going to be jumping right into this video. I am going to be using dynamic gel polish in the color 06. This is like a perfect nude base color for press on nails. So I'm going to be painting this over all the nails. And you guys, this is a freestyle set, so I was just going off my head. I just knew I wanted to make a pumpkin patch set, so I thought that this would be like the perfect nude, like fall vibes color. So yeah, you guys, I'm just going ahead and painting this over all the nails. I also wanted to mention that the nails that I'm using in this video are from Amazon. They're 3XL full cover square nails. But what I did is I just got my nail clippers and clipped them down to more of like an extra long length. And yeah, you guys, just wanted to let you guys know that. I will leave the link to these nails down below. Now I'm going to be going in with this iGel Beauty beautiful light pink shade, and this is like a really like opaque jelly color, and I just wanted to make this set a little bit more on like give it like a touch of pink. So I put this over all the nails, and yeah, you guys, it gave me like the perfect pinky nude color that I was looking for. Since I kept putting my hand in and out of my nail lamp, I noticed that my hand was getting hot because the nail lamp was getting hot. So I did go ahead and take out my Melody Susie UV glove, and I just put that on my hand. I highly recommend you guys use a glove and protect your skin from the UV rays, and definitely get yourself some UV gloves. I got mine from Amazon. Again, I'll leave the link in the description where you guys could find them. But moving on, I did custom mix a orange color. I wanted more of like, instead of a bright orange, I wanted more of like, I don't know, like a burnt orange, more like of a pumpkin color. So I used this brown gel polish, and I used a iGel Beauty orange color, and it gave me the perfect pumpkin color. And then I got a liner brush, and now I'm creating my little pumpkins. And these are super easy to do, you guys. You just want to make like two curves, if that makes sense, and then fill them in. Super easy. And I'm going to be creating these pumpkins on several of the nails. I'm going to be taking some of my dynamic black gel polish. This is the best, you guys. I use it in a lot of my videos because the black is just super pigmented, and I just love the way that it works. But I am going to be using this with a longer liner gel brush to create the little pumpkins details. As you guys could see here, I did get a smaller liner gel brush, and I'm just creating a little stem with the same black gel polish on all the pumpkins. Now I'm going to be taking my dynamic white gel polish. Again, love this brand of gel polishes. This white is so good as well. And I'm going to be creating a white French tip on the middle fingernail. And on this nail, I decided to do this super cute patch nail by creating these little orange squares. And then after that, I went ahead and outlined them with the black gel polish. And it gave it that really, really cute fall vibe, like pumpkin patch look. I'm so in love with this nail. I think it's one of my favorite nails. Now I'm going to take some lighter brown gel polish, and I'm just going to outline my smile line, and then I'm going to create like this I don't know what you call it, but it's like a hay kind of look, or like, I don't know, like a threaded look a little bit. And I'm going to put these like little tiny X's on the nails, if you guys could see there. And I don't know, it just reminds me of like a scarecrow. So I don't know what you would call that material, or like fabric, but it makes the nail look super cute, and like it all coincides together perfectly. For the index fingernail, I decided to do a plaid nail. I feel like all fall nail sets have plaid designs somewhere on them, so I feel like this look wouldn't be complete without a fall nail. I actually was gonna do like this nail a full bling nail, but I was like, you know what, no, I need to add the plaid. Like the plaid just ties the whole look together in my opinion, so I'm glad I did that here. But I'm just taking several different colors. The fun thing about plaid is you guys could make it really your own. You could do any colors that you like, and pretty much for the most part it will look really nice. I could have even added some red, like a burnt red or like a dark red in this plaid look, but I just stuck with the colors I was using already on this nail set. And I also incorporated this super pretty gold gel color by Dynamic, and I'm using this to add little accents on that plaid nail. I was gonna just add top coat to the set and call it a set, but I really wanted to add some bling, so I just did decide to add these charms. These are like really pretty charms. I forgot the name of them, but it's like a certain crystal that they use on these, so they're super shiny. And I also decided to add some rhinestones. These are champagne colored rhinestones. Both, I think the charm I got from Shein, and this rhinestone pack I also got from Shein. If you guys seen my Shein haul here on my YouTube channel, I have it a couple videos before this video. You guys will see that I did pick up this pack here of rhinestones, and they're super good, super shiny. And yeah, you guys, I love the way that they tied together into this set. So I just went ahead and made this little design with the rhinestones. Now I'm going in with my eye gel beauty no wipe gel top coat, and I'm applying this over all the nails. And oh my gosh, you guys, at this point I was so in love with this set. Like the way that the pumpkins look, the way that the patch nail looks, like it's just so pretty. Like this is exactly what I envisioned in my head. It's such a pumpkin patch set, and I'm literally so happy with it. I love it so much. And I'm so glad that I filmed it too. I hate when I like make super good sets and I don't film them, like, so you guys can't see. But yes, you guys, I'm so happy I finally filmed this set. After I cured it in my UV lamp, I went ahead and filed the tops of the nails, and this was my finished results. I hope you guys really liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.